Being a considerate person means being aware of and showing care for the feelings, needs, and well being of others. To cultivate this quality, one must first actively listen and pay attention to others, acknowledging their thoughts and emotions without judgment. It is crucial to practice empathy, putting oneself in someone else's shoes to understand their perspective. Additionally, being considerate means being mindful of one's actions and how they may impact those around us. This includes being polite, respectful, and considerate of personal boundaries. Taking responsibility for one's words and actions and apologizing when necessary is also essential in being a considerate person. With these qualities, one can foster positive relationships and contribute to creating a more compassionate and considerate society. Being a considerate person is an important trait to possess, especially in today's society where people are often self-absorbed and focused on their own needs. To be a considerate person, one must actively listen and empathize with others, showing genuine care and concern. It is also essential to be respectful and mindful of others' boundaries, opinions, and feelings. This includes being aware of personal space, using appropriate language, and avoiding offensive or insensitive behavior. Furthermore, being considerate means being willing to help and support others, whether it be through small gestures or offering a lending hand. By practicing thoughtfulness and kindness towards others, one can truly embody the qualities of a considerate person.